Hello, everyone. Welcome to Friday and your spelling test. Remember, at any time you can pause this. So if I say make sure you have a piece of paper that's numbered 1 through 20 and you don't have that yet, pause me and go get it and label it 1 through 20. Word 1, please. Please be careful when you are jumping on the trampoline. 2, pleasant. Well, that was a pleasant day. 3, breath. I can hold my breath for 3 minutes when I'm in the pool. 4, breathe. Remember to breathe deeply. 5, image. Right now, you can see an image of some spelling letters on your screen. 6, imagine. When I am lying on the ground and looking at the clouds, I imagine all the things that they could be. 7, product. There are many different products in my cupboard. 8, production. In May, we are going to go to the production of Peter Pan at school. 9, heal. I hope this injury will heal. 10, health. If you eat well, you will keep your health. 11, triple. I got a triple in baseball last week. 12, triplet. My aunt was a triplet. 13, relate. I can relate to that. 14, I have a relative who lives just down the road. Relative. 15, meter. Last week in math, we studied the meter. 16, metric. Last week in math, we looked at metric system, the metric system. 17, compose. When Beethoven was just a young boy, he could compose music on the piano. 18, composition. Another name for an essay is a composition. 19, crumb. After eating my cookie, I saw a crumb that had rolled down my shirt. 20, crumble. If you're not careful, that cookie will crumble. Also remember, if you missed anything, you can just rewind. It's all there for you. All right, guys. Thanks.